Happy Monday morning, YouTubers. Andy Drifter here, starting off the week with another video. What I got here is a fat pack of 2022 Prestige Football. There are 60 cards in this pack. Let's crack it open and see what we can find. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Damian Harris, Joey Bosa, Kenyon Drake, X-Man, Xavier Howard, Tyreek Hill, Fletcher Cox, Tyler Lockett, Drew Brees, Joe Montana, Braxton Berrios, Bobby Wagner, Mitchell Trubisky, who pulled out the win yesterday, David Njoku, Devin Duvernay, Sam Darnold, DeAndre Swift. Despite the Lions losing, he had a great game. Drake London, Brandon Smith, Kareem Hunt, who had a touchdown in the air and on the ground yesterday for the Browns. Allen Robinson II, Scary Terry, Javonte Williams, Powerhouse, Eli, Any Given Sunday, insert card, Dak, Sam Howell, Season's Greetings, rookie card, North Carolina, Khalil Shakur, these are all going to be rookie cards here, and back to the base cards, Allen Robinson, Brett Favre, Derek Carr, Michael Pittman Jr., who had a touchdown yesterday, Justin Herbert, MVS, Aaron Donald, Keyshawn Johnson, Juju, Drew Bledsoe, Trey Lance, Boston Scott, T. Higgins, Micah Parsons, Chuba Hubbard, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Brian Urlacher, Deion Jones, Donovan Peoples-Jones, and Hall of Famer Ray Lewis. All right, my friends, that is it for that Prestige Fat Pack. No SPs, no autographs. I guess this season's greeting base card of Sam Howell. That was a pretty decent hit. Nothing extraordinary. I'll be opening up another pack or box this afternoon, so stay tuned. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.